On March 3, the new Geely Galaxy E8 was officially launched. The new car has a total of 4 configuration models, and the limited-time guide price is 149,800 to 199,800 yuan. As a renewed model, in addition to further price reductions, the new car has also been upgraded and optimized in terms of interior and exterior design, intelligent driving, configuration, and power endurance. The entire series will be equipped with Qianli Haohan high-end intelligent driving as standard, support high-speed NOA navigation and other functions, and continue to provide single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive options. In terms of appearance, it continues the overall design of the current model. The overall style is simple and stylish. It adopts a U-shaped wavy front face, equipped with split headlights and AGS active air intake grille. At the same time, the laser radar on the roof of the new car not only provides advanced driving assistance functions, but also improves recognition. The side of the car features a low center of gravity and slim body design, combined with fastback style, hidden door handles and frameless doors, creating a luxurious appearance. In addition, the new car also features red brake calipers to further enhance the sporty feel. The rear of the car adopts a similar through-in taillight design with 390 LED lamp beads. It integrates the functions of position lights, brake lights, signal lights, reverse lights and rear fog lights. The high-end integrated water flow function can achieve dynamic welcoming and farewell effects, and has super high recognition. When we look at the body dimensions of the Geely Galaxy E8, the length, width and height values are 5010/1920/1465 mm, the wheelbase is 2,925 mm, and the drag coefficient is only 0.199 cd. As for the body color, the new Geely Galaxy E8 offers 7 color options, including begonia pink, smoky gray, first snow silver, dawn black, smoky gray, willow frost white and misty blue new, to meet the personalized needs of users. In terms of interior, it continues the general design of the current model. It is equipped with a 45-inch 8K integrated large screen, Galaxy borderless cockpit, and Meizu Flyme OS vehicle system. The built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 chip supports 5G network, 4-zone voice wake-up recognition, mobile phone app remote control, 3-finger task transfer, in-car address transfer, two-way satellite communication and other functions, and provides AI Galaxy Elf function. In terms of configuration, it added 23-speaker Flyme sound, Marshmallow SPA luxury seats and executive seats. It is also equipped with 256-color atmosphere, electric suction doors, 50W mobile phone wireless charging, 25.6-inch AR HUD head-up display, car fragrance system and other luxury configurations. In terms of intelligent driving, the whole series of the new car is equipped with Qianli Haohan high-end intelligent driving, equipped with 28 intelligent driving sensors, including 1 laser radar, 10 cameras, 12 ultrasonic radars and 5mm wave radars. It supports high-speed navigation assistance, APA automatic parking and other functions, and also supports the 50 to 120 km/h emergency avoidance function. In terms of power, it offers single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive. The maximum drive motor power of the rear-wheel drive version is 250 kilowatts and the peak torque is 373 Nm. The official acceleration time from 0 to 100 km is 5.95 seconds, and the CLTC pure electric range is 575 km and 700 km. In the four-wheel drive version, the maximum power of the front motor is 165 kilowatts, the maximum power of the rear motor is 310 kilowatts, the total power of the system is 475 kilowatts, the total torque is 710 Nm. The official acceleration time from 0 to 100 km/h is 3.49 seconds, and the CLTC pure electric range is 620 km. Supports maximum 5.5C charging speed, and charging from SOC 30% to 80% only takes 8 minutes.